I learned this by watching dozens of students struggle during Infosys Springboard, and I don't want you to repeat it. Not because the internship is bad, not because it's difficult, but because of silent mistakes. Students keep repeating mistakes no one warns you about. If you're doing Infosys Springboard right now, pause everything and watch this. It can completely change how much value you get from this internship. Before going into the video, please subscribe Syntax Lattice for more information and free resources. Let's go. Mistake 1. Treating it like just a certificate. The biggest mistake students make is treating Infosys Springboard like a certificate factory. They rush through daily calls, skip understanding the actual concepts, copy-paste teammates' work, and focus only on completing tasks, not on gaining real hands-on experience with the tech stack. But here's what you should do instead. Understand your project end-to-end. Know which tech stacks are required for each milestone. Learn and build simultaneously. Yes, you can use AI, but use it wisely. At the end of the day, you should be able to explain the entire project flow confidently. Treat Infosys Springboard as a learning opportunity, not just a formality for a certificate. Mistake 2. Ignoring project quality. The second big mistake students make is ignoring project quality. Many students treat the project like a formality, just something to submit before the deadline. They build the bare minimum, don't focus on structure, UI, or logic, and move on once the submission is done. But remember this, your project is the strongest proof of what you actually worked during this internship. A weak project shows rushed working. A strong project shows clarity, ownership, and skill. Here's what you should do instead. Don't just complete the project, improve it. Add extra features. Write clean, readable code. Make the UI presentable. Document your work properly with a clear README. And mistake 3. Not managing time properly. The third major mistake students make is not managing their time properly. Infosys Springboard is like working internship, and that sounds flexible, but it's actually risky. Students think, I'll do it later, I still have time, and before they realize it, deadlines are close and panic kicks in. This leads to rushed working, poor project quality, and zero confidence during reviews. Here's the right approach. Set a fixed daily time slot, even if it's just 30 to 60 minutes. Break milestones into small daily goals. Focus on consistency. Treat this internship like a real job commitment, not something to be done in free time. When you manage your time well, you don't just finish the internship, you actually learn, build, and grow from it. Mistake 4. Improper attendance. The fourth mistake students make is taking attendance lightly. Many interns assume that attending a few meetings is enough, or they join calls without actually being present. Some even skip sessions thinking recordings will be sufficient. But here's the reality. Attendance during Infosys Springboard is not just about marking presence. It reflects your professionalism, discipline, and seriousness toward the internship. This attendance reflects your eligibility to get internship completion certificate. Mentors notice who attends regularly, who asks questions, whose work is nice, and who actively participates in discussions. Here's what you should do instead. Attend every scheduled session whenever possible. Be attentive. Take notes. Participate in discussions. Ask relevant questions. If you miss a session, catch up immediately. Don't let gaps pile up. If you are unable to attend a session, mail them with a proper reason, which builds integrity. Proper attendance builds trust with mentors and keeps you aligned with project expectations. Treat every session like a real workplace meeting because that's exactly how it's evaluated. Mistake 5. Focusing only on technical skills, ignoring soft skills. The fifth mistake students make is focusing only on technical skills and completely ignoring soft skills. Yes, coding and technical knowledge matter, but this internship is also about how you communicate, collaborate, and present your work. Many students stay silent in meetings, avoid explaining their ideas, don't take ownership during discussions. As a result, even skilled interns go unnoticed. Here's the right approach. Along with technical skills, work on soft skills like clear communication, teamwork, asking the right questions, explaining your thought process. This internship is designed to simulate a real workplace environment. If you build only technical skills, you become just another coder. But if you build both technical and soft skills, you become someone teams and recruiters actually want to work with. Mistake 6 most important, not using it for resume and interviews. This is the most costly mistake students make. They complete the Infosys Springboard virtual internship, get the certificate, and stop there. No resume update, no GitHub projects, no interview preparation. As a result, the internship adds almost zero value to their career. Remember this, an internship is not meant to sit silently in your certificates folder. It's meant to be used. Here's what you should do instead. Add your project details clearly to your resume, upload your code to GitHub with a proper README. Be ready to explain the problem statement. The tech stack used, expect the challenges you faced and how you solved them. Prepare at least 2-3 interview questions from your own project. This is how recruiters evaluate you, not by the certificate name, but by how confidently you can talk about your work. If you don't convert this internship into projects, explanations, and interview stories, you've only completed a program, not built a career asset. Use it wisely.